Hello, everybody. My name is Lori Columbani, and I am your instructor this summer for MA70 Medical Terminology. I want to start off by first welcoming you and thanking you for taking this class during the summer. It's definitely going to be an adventure, but hopefully a really fun one in which you're going to learn a lot and walk away feeling a really strong sense of accomplishment. So I'm hoping all of you are figuring out how to get into Canvas and jump into the front page, read through that front page, and then get started with the orientation module. The orientation module kind of covers everything, and there's a little quiz that you need to take, and I would like you to participate in a discussion with your original post and then reply to at least two of your classmates. Looks like a lot of you have already done this. I'm really enjoying reading the posts and learning a little bit about each and every one of you. Once you get done with the orientation module, even though the week one materials, the first exam, the first homeworks are not due for a couple of weeks, I really highly encourage you to get started right away. There's a lot to learn with medical terminology at first. We have to it's front loaded because we have to learn all the prefixes, the suffixes, the word building rules, and it might feel a little daunting and overwhelming, but I want to say just take a deep breath, don't panic, don't get overwhelmed. You want to put in the extra time in the beginning of the class because what you'll see is that it pays off because you'll be seeing the same exact little pieces, the prefixes and suffixes, every week for the whole term. And so it should get easier. It's going to feel like a steep climb at first, but then it levels off and then boom, it's smooth sailing. As long as you just put in a little bit of time and effort. My advice to you is, because this is a language, to try to do a little bit every day. I know that's challenging. A lot of you are working, you have families, you have outside commitments, but really with a language just like math, you want to do a little bit every day. I have office hours starting today, every Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If that needs to change, I'll send you out announcements. I encourage you to go in and really look at the announcements, and also go into your to the page that shows you all your assignments and things, because I periodically will leave comments for you, and it's important that you check that. I will be sending you all a personal video message shortly for your self-introduction assignment. I really look forward to that as well. If you have any questions or concerns during the summer term, please feel free to reach out to me. The best way to do that is through the Canvas inbox messaging system. And just know that I'm here to support you to be successful in any way that I possibly can. All right, I think that's good enough for now. Nice introductions for all of you. Enjoy this incredible weather, and let's get going and have fun this summer, okay? Take care, and I'll be in touch with all of you. Bye-bye.